Hello friends, welcome back to Mothermade channel. Friends, today we will make emulsion paint, or you can call it distemper paint. Friends, today I will show you the process of making emulsion paint, and I will also show you the raw materials, and I will also tell you the uses of these raw materials and why they are used in this product. And I will also tell the quantity of raw materials to be used in this emulsion paint. Friends, emulsion paint is a very fast selling product. You can find shops of emulsion paint everywhere, even in remote places, because the demand of emulsion paint is very high. The production cost of emulsion paint is very low. So the profit margin is very high, around 90 or 100%. It is very easy to make emulsion paint. It's only a mixing process. If you are searching easy business with a very low investment and high margin profit, then this business is for you. You can start this business. If you are thinking to paint your house, make this emulsion paint yourself and paint your house. You will save a lot of money. The price of emulsion paint in the market for 20 kg emulsion paint is around rupees 4000, but today we will make it for rupees 500 to 600 for 20 kg emulsion paint. So you can see we will make it in a very low cost and the quality will be very good. Friends, so let's start. Friends, please watch full video, otherwise if you skip in between the video, you will not able to make it properly. So please watch full video. Friends, take a stirrer. See, this is a stirrer easily available in the market. Then take a big bucket. All the raw materials will be added in the bucket and stirred with the stirrer continuously. Or you can take a ready-made setup, means a stirrer attached with the bucket. See, like this is available in the market. Many types of stirrer with bucket are available in the market. You can choose according to your choice. Now let's start the process. Take 4 liters of water in the bucket. Friends, remember, never take tap water. You can take mineral water or RO water or distilled water. Tap water will spoil your emulsion paint. After taking water, start the stirrer. You should stir it continuously. Don't stop the stirrer in between. Then add calcium carbonate in water. Calcium carbonate should be added very slowly and stir it continuously. The stirrer should not be stopped in between. Proper mixing is very important for making good quality emulsion paint. The quantity of calcium carbonate should be 6 kg. Calcium carbonate is available in different meshes. Take around 800 to 1000 mesh calcium carbonate. Mix it very thoroughly so that you will get a smooth, shiny emulsion paint. Then add titanium dioxide in it. The quantity of titanium dioxide should be 200 gram. Friends, titanium dioxide is available in many shades, like some are grey, some are yellowish, some are whitish. Try to find the whiter one because the color of emulsion paint will depend on titanium dioxide. The whiter the titanium oxide, the whiter will be emulsion paint. Friends, remember one thing. Add titanium dioxide very slowly and stir it continuously. Otherwise, lumps will be formed. Then add PVA acrylic in it. PVA acrylic is a binding agent. It helps the paint to stick on the surface. The quantity of PVA acrylic is 1 kg. Stir it continuously for some time. Then add nitrosol. The quantity of nitrosol should be 30 gram. Nitrosol is a thickening agent. The texture of nitrosol is very fine. So add it very slowly, otherwise lumps will form. Stir it continuously. Some people use CMC instead of nitrosol. Friends, don't use CMC in place of nitrosol because CMC and nitrosol are different things. The price of CMC is low, but if you are adding CMC in emulsion paint, you will have to add more CMC in emulsion paint than comparison with nitrosol. And by adding CMC, the quality of emulsion paint will be low. The price of nitrosol is high, but you will need less quantity of nitrosol. Then add ammonia in it. The quantity of ammonia is 30 ml. It is a preservative and it acts as an emulsifier also. Add slowly and stir it continuously for some time. Mixing properly is very important. So mix it properly and mix it for some time. Then add anti-foamer, or you can call it defoamer. The quantity of defoamer should be 20 ml. Friends, defoamer will help in reducing the foam which was created by stirring. Again, remember, add it very slowly and continue stirring the mixture. Now friends, your emulsion paint is ready. Now, to increase its shelf life, we should add a preservative. So for preservative, I am using Formulation. It is also called formaldehyde. The quantity of preservative should be 30 ml. By adding Formulation, the shelf life of emulsion will be around 3 years. Add it very slowly and stir continuously for 10 to 15 minutes. Friends, now your emulsion paint is ready. Now leave it for 2 hours. After 2 hours, fill it in a bucket and close the lid tightly. Then you can paste a sticker of your company on it, and then your product is ready to sell. Friends, isn't it easy to make emulsion paint? Please give your feedback. Friends, now I am giving you some important tips. Please note it down. Friends, titanium dioxide is a whitener. If you want to improve the quality of emulsion paint, you can increase the quantity of titanium dioxide. By adding more titanium dioxide, the color of your emulsion paint will be more whiter. So the sale will be more. If the emulsion paint is more whiter, then it will need only 2 coats to be painted on the surface. Otherwise, if the quantity of titanium dioxide is less, more coats will be needed to be applied on the surface to get a good result. So, if you want to improve the quality of emulsion paint, increase the quantity of titanium dioxide. And if you want to decrease the quality, you can decrease the quantity of titanium dioxide. It's up to you. Friends, now second tip. Friends, as you know, nitrosol increase the thickness of emulsion paint. So, if you increase the quantity of nitrosol, the emulsion paint will be more thicker. It will increase the quality of emulsion paint. All the branded emulsion paint use more nitrosol and more titanium dioxide. That's why the quality is very good. They look more thicker and more whiter. That's why the sale value is very high. So if you want to increase your sale value, increase the quantity of titanium dioxide and nitrosol. Now friends, third important tip. Nitrosol is very light in weight. The texture of nitrosol is very fine. So it does not mix properly. So when you want to add nitrosol in emulsion paint, don't add nitrosol directly in emulsion paint. First, mix nitrosol in some water and then mix in emulsion paint. Otherwise, it will not mix properly in emulsion paint. Now, last tip. Friends, PVA is very thick. So, like nitrosol, mix PVA in some water before adding it in the emulsion. Friends, did you like my video? If you do, please click the like button. If you have any queries, you can write down in the comment box. Friends, Please share my video with all your friends and relatives, and please subscribe my channel. After pressing the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon there. Please press the bell icon. After pressing the bell icon, you will see 3 options on the screen. Please press the all button which is written on the top. By pressing all button, you will receive notification whenever I make a new video in future. So if you want to see my future videos, please press the all button. Now friends, we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Stay safe, stay healthy.